Welcome everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Today we're gonna learn more 4 Arabic letters. We're gonna focus on the sound of them. The first one is this one. Pay attention. This sound. It sounds like letter N in English. So in Arabic it is this one. It's like this. So beautiful. And then I have to add this dot in the middle. Do you remember? We learned it in the previous classes that this mark on the top, it sounds like letter A in English. Ne. So if I remove it and I add it in black, it will be like this. Ne. Okay? Okay. Let's see na in the beginning of the word. It looks like this. Na in the beginning of the word. I want to say na. Don't forget, we write Arabic from the right to the left. So this is the shape of na in the beginning of the word, and I have to add this dot on the top. And don't forget this mark. Now we have ne. Okay. Let's write ne in the middle of the word. I will add this line like this, and then I will add this shape, and then don't forget the dot and the fatha, this mark. Let's read together from the right. Ne. We have 2 letters. Ne. Okay. And ne in the end of the word, it looks like this. So it has the same shape of na out of the word, but we must add this line. Don't forget this line. Okay. Let's read. Ne. Ne in the end of the word, it can be like this as well. So we have 2 shapes of ne in the end of the word. We're gonna learn this later. Okay. So we have ne in the beginning of the word, ne in the middle of the word, and the 2 shapes of ne in the end of the word. Let's read together. Ne. At the normal speed. Ne. Okay. Let's write ne in English, but from the right to the left. So I will start with letter N from the right side. Okay. And then I will add after it A. I know it's crazy, but let's read together. Ne. Okay. And then we have letter N, again from the right to the left. And finally, we have again letter N from the right to the left. Let's read. Ne. Okay, let's learn another letter. The complete Arabic reading and writing course for non-Arabic speakers is available now on our website. Check the link in the video description. alkutab.com. The following letter is J. It sounds like J in English. It is this letter. And we must add a dot here. J. Let's say J in the beginning of the word. Super easy. I will do this, and then I will go like this. And I must add a dot here, so the shape is different. J. We mustn't forget this mark. J in the middle of the word, it is like this. I have to add this line, and then I will add this like this, and don't forget the dot and the fatha. Ja. Let's read together. Ja, 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 ja. Ja in the end of the word, I have to add this here, and then I will write ja like this. Now I have ja in the end of the word. Let's read together. Ja, 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 ja. And we have another shape for ja in the end of the word, like this. So ja in the end of the word can be like this or like this. Let's read ja, ja, ja. Let's write ja, ja, ja from the right to the left in English. I will start with J, right? And then I will add A, ja. It's crazy, right? But for you to imagine how we read and write Arabic, ja. And finally we have ja, okay? So ja, 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 ja. Okay, let's learn another one. It sounds like letter H. Again, I'll do like this, and then like this. Ha, 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 ha. Ha in the beginning of the word. Ha, ha. Ha in the middle of the word, like this. And then I will do like this. Ha. Ha, 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 ha. Ha in the end of the word. It's totally different. Ha. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. I'm not laughing, okay? Ha, ha, ha. And the ha in the end of the word, it can be like this. Just a circle. Ha. Ha, ha, ha. So let's write ha, ha, ha from the right to the left. I have it like this, ha, and then like this, ha, and finally like this. Let's read together. Ha, 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 ha. The last letter is super easy, is this one. In English, it's like this. Letter L. This is la. La. La, 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 la. Let's see. La in the beginning of the word is super easy. It's just like this. Like it's an inverted letter L. La. La. La in the middle of the word. I will add this line. And then I will add another inverted L. La, 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 la. And finally, la in the end of the word. It has the same shape. Just I will add this line. And then like this. Let's read together. La, 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 la. La in the end of the word can be like this as well. La, 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 la. Okay. So now we learned 4 letters. The first one is ne. The second one is je. The third one is le. And finally, he. Ne. Je. Le. He. Okay, let's play. Let's add ne in the beginning of the word. Ne, 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 ne in the beginning of the word. Let's connect it to le, le, le in the middle. It will be like this. Le, ne, le, nele, nele. Let's add ha in the end of the word. Ha, nele ha, nele ha, ne, le, ha. Okay, ne, le, ha. I'm not writing now English from right to left. I'm writing them normally. Ne, le, ha, 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 ne, le, ha. Okay, let's write another word. Let's add ja. There is no any meaning to these words. Okay, so ja in the beginning of the word, ja, ja, and then let's add ne in the middle. Jene, jene. Let's add le in the end of the word. Le, je, 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 ne, ne, le, le, jene, le, jene, 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 jenele, 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 jenele. Okay, finally, let's connect all of them together. Ne in the beginning of the word, ne. Je in the middle of the word, je. Le in the middle of the word because I connect it to another letter, le. And finally we have he, like this. Let's read. Ne, je, le, he, ne, je, le, he, ne, je, le, he. At the normal speed. Najalaha, 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 najalaha. So guys, that's for today. I wish you liked the class and see you in another one. Try to train a lot. Try to play this game. Try to put ha in the beginning, na in the end, la in the middle, and do this more and more and more. Thank you for watching.